Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see sequencing and scheduling using POM-QM software. Now let us see the problem. Sequencing and scheduling. Problem 2 machine. We have 5 jobs, each of which has to be processed on 2 machines A and B in order AB. Processing times are given in the following table. Processing time in hours. Determine an order in which these jobs should be processed so as to minimize total processing time. Here we have job 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and they are processed on machine A and B. Now this we are going to solve using POM-QM software. Let us open the POM-QM software. We are going to click on Job Shop Scheduling. Give the name Sequencing and Scheduling. Now there are 5 jobs and 2 machine Johnson's method. Job 1, job 2, job 3. Okay. So 6 and 3. 6 and 3. 2 and 7. 10 and 8. 4 and 9. 11 and 5. Now we have to click on solve. So the first is job 2, second is job 4, third is job 3, fourth is job 5 and fifth is job 1. This is a sequence and make span is 36. Johnson's method steps. These are the steps. Gantt chart. So job 2 is completed on machine 1, then on machine 2. Job 4 on machine 1, then on machine 2. Job 3 on machine 1, then on machine 2. Job 5 on machine 1, then on machine 2. And job 1 on machine 1 and then job 1 on machine 2. Here you can see the idle times involved. Thanks for watching the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.